come to the market with me.
This your half, no be half. Oh.
This one is big size. How much one thing now?
Put one of these it's so fresh. Light red. Oh, before I remember that, no. Guess how long this soup. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys, I don't know if this particular vlog is going to go into a weekly vlog or is going to be a vlog of its own, but what I have, the idea I have is, you know, come to market with me. Yeah, I want to take you guys along to the market with me. I'm still feeling like because I don't want to be yanking out my camera in the market, but we'll see how that goes first of all. And my phone is so full, like my phone memory is full. I can't vlog with my phone. I don't even want to start like go through it. Yeah, regardless, however it turns out, whether it turns out to be a proper vlog on its own, like it come to the market with me / haul, okay, or I attach it to a weekly vlog, it's all good. Okay, it's all good. If you're new here, my name is Sophia. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you on my next one. And besides, today is 27th of September, right? Yeah, 27th of September. So let's go to the market. You guys, I'm basically trying to restock on every single thing, food items, household, I don't know, just mostly food items. That's what I'm running for right now, because I want to get, you know, enough stuff that is going to last me for a while, you know, for a good amount of time. Yeah, the sun is coming out, that's why the light is changing. So you guys come with me, let us go. This your half, no be half. Oh, ha. Give me this one. You know, go put jar for me for that one. Suppose put jar for me.
This one is big size. How much one thing now?
How is this thing big size? How much is it being? How much is it?
5,000.
5,000. Wow. Yeah. You know where you don't go. I swear.
Okay, you go.
50 big naira. Put one of these dry pepper. Put some of this. How much? 4,500. Eh? Let me see, Godi. I know that's where the flesh is, but it's expensive now. Look at look. No, I'm not snapping you. I don't need you in my camera.
You don't need
the main fish. So that's the wine itself.
Yeah, that's the wine house for years.
Oh my God.
Because of saying that you boss.
Which one is the like woman?
Catch me up.
I know they catch. You won't appear for my.
I
don't need. That's what I'm telling you. It's so fresh.
Why is snapping my vegetable?
I don't understand. I'm not going to snap waiting at one buy again.
Why must you snap it because you won't buy it?
It's because I want to buy. That's what I'm saying. Put the light red. I like that one. Why?
The one with the same 118 naira.
Okay, 118 naira. Okay. So
300, that's 900, 300, 1,000, 300. This one 300. 1,006.
Okay.
This one 800. 1,600. 1,000 and 2,004. And this one 600. That's 3,000. This one 350. 700. That is 37.
This one that is transparent, Uncle. I want one that is strong though. Is this one? This one is strong. This one will take up space in the fridge. I bet. My God, I'm not a snap you. I don't need you for my video. Okay, biscuit bone.
Yes, you did.
How much? How much?
Oh, yeah, give me change now.
You get 500, you get 1,000, you get 2.
Let me see you 500 naira one first.
What you do?
See 500.
Only.
That's what I tell them, Oga.
Okay, you're not gonna add something for me.
How much you want? Make her add another one.
Give us one. But you put Jara for us. Chief, go on out, mommy. Ah, okay.
Don't get it, I mean.
Pieces.
Oh, she can understand you.
Give me change, I beg, my
I don't know how much this is. Hi guys. It's today is what? Today is Wednesday, 28th of September. And yesterday I took you guys to the market along with me. I got so many things. I don't know the things that I bought. I bought things like as if I was angry, or as if there was going to be a hunger strike. Oh my God. So I'm hoping the things that I got is going to last for, at least 3 weeks or for the month, because I don't even eat too much, you guys. I hardly even eat twice a day. It just depends on how the day goes. Do you get? Yeah, so I got stuff for 2 different soup and 2 different stew, right? Yeah, and then potato, plantain, and normal house ingredient that you can use in making quick food like rice or stew or sauce or whatsoever. Yeah, so today, you guys, I am trying to see if I can cook. I don't know if this vlog is going to be a vlog on its own, which is come to the market with me and food prep with me. I don't know, or I'm going to add everything into a weekly vlog. I don't know, you guys. Throughout last week I didn't upload any video because I was going through so much and I was so overwhelmed. Yeah, but this week I think I feel better now and I'm a lot happier now. I don't know, it's just that some things are coming. So many things are trying to stress me out.
Your girl is, like I said in my last vlog, the girl is not in London. So when you're describing it, it's no longer Dubai based. Now London, not UK based, to be specific. London.
Okay, you guys, can you believe that all these things are like protein? Goat meat. What's this? Hold on. Okay, yeah. Goat meat, chicken, then fish, and what's this? Something bone, biscuit bone. Yeah, because don't worry, you guys will see the vlog. Yeah, so I just let me. I think I'll take this one back because this one is going to be for the sauce I'm going to make, the chicken, for the stew sauce. Yeah, which I want to start cooking soup first. Yeah, let me put this back and prep the goat meat and fish because I'm going to be adding some of the fish inside the soup. Yeah. So let's do this. I want to just arrange myself pretty, like very well. That way I will not be confused or overwhelmed. Yeah. You guys, I've shared the meat into two for the soup, for the two soup. This one is for one soup. This one is for the other soup. And then I have stuffed fish, head of this thing. Yeah. I'm going to be boiling everything together and share it. Divide it into two because it's gonna make it easier. You get me? Yeah, let's do this.
Summer high, met you in August, New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
And I've been feeling like making like a very good over soup. Even though I won't be using what they call it. What's it called? Apple. Yes. You guys, I've already started packing this up before I remember that I've not filmed or shown you guys the final look of the soup. This is egusi soup. Yeah, I cooked egusi and oha. This is the oha. I'm packing everything up now. Yeah, so I can put them in the fridge before thinking of cooking stew next. Yeah. Next thing is to let it cool down a little bit. Then I take it to the fridge. Yeah. Guess how long this soup is going to last me? I feel like this soup is going to last me for yes. I don't know, but let's see how it goes. You guys, I'm so freaking tired, but I'm not doing it. Yeah. Hey guys, so I wasn't in the mood to talk on this particular day, but let me just give you guys a rundown on what's going on the remaining vlog. So I decided to cook the stew today, and yeah, I brought out my chicken and fish and every other thing that I needed to make my stew. I'm going to be preparing two different types of stew. One is pepper stew and the other is curry sauce, and I'm using my goat meat and fish for my pepper stew and chicken for my curry sauce with the whole vegetable and stuff for my curry stew. Yeah, I'm hoping that this stew is going to be lasting for at least 2 months. It didn't last, you guys. Anyways, yeah, this is not a tutorial, okay? This is just meal prep vlog. Yeah, so I am frying my chicken right now. You guys, I didn't get to like, you know, vlog the whole process and stuff, but you know, I got a few clips here and there, and yeah, we are almost getting to the end of this vlog. Please do not forget to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and yeah, I'll see you on my next one. And this is the final look of my stew. This is the only clip I got. Bye.